Good morning, student. As in continuation with chapter number 3, today we are going to discuss about the ways to promote positive health and well-being. When a person is under the stress, how one can overcome the stressful situation by using different skills. So different type of skills have been mentioned as assertiveness, time management, rational thinking, or improving relationship, self-care, overcoming unhelpful habits, positive health, diet, exercise, positive attitude, positive thinking, and social support. Now, talking about the first, that is life skills. If a person is able to manage his everyday resources in a very sufficient manner, it means the life skills are helpful for an individual in order to overcome the stressful situations and as well as demand of the other people. Now, talking about the assertiveness is a behavioral skill that helps to communicate clearly and confidently. So our feeling, needs and wants and thoughts. It is the ability to say no to a request, to state an opinion without being self-conscious. So it is often believed that if you are assertive, you feel confident and have high self-esteem and a solid sense of your own identity. Now, talking about the time management, as time management plays an important role in order to overcome the particular situation in one's life. It reduces the stress. So the major principles of the time management is to spend your time doing the things that you value or that help you to achieve your goals. So children, the third, that is rational thinking. It is often believed that people who build the negative thinking, it is all because of the distorted thinking. When people hold the wrong opinion about other people, it makes an stress for an individual. So it is often believed the way we think and the way you feel are closely connected. When we are under the stress, we have an inbuilt selective bias to attend to the negative thoughts and the image from the past, which affect the perception of the present. And further, some of the principles of the rational thinking are challenging your distorting thinking, irrational belief, driving out potential, intrusive negative anxiety provoking thoughts, and making positive statements. Now the another type of promoting the good health is improving relationship. So it is often believed that the particular relation is established for a longer period of time if a person has the ability to listen, express what you think, or accept the other people's opinions, even if they are different from your opinion. We can promote a good health and a positive behavior by taking care of ourselves. So it is often believed that we are better prepared physically and emotionally to tackle the stress of everyday life. Our breathing pattern reflects our state of mind and emotions. So when we are stressed or anxious, we tend towards the rapid and the shallow breathing from higher in the chest with frequent sighs. The most released breathing is slow stomach central breathing from the diaphragm. So it is believed that these have a noticeable effect on our ability to cope with stress and well-being. How we can overcome the unhelpful habits? By not being a part of those activities which affect our overall functioning,